Hello everyone, welcome to Ortho Implants for Life. I'm Arindam Mukhopadhyay, entrepreneur and business coach. Today we will discuss about 4mm cannulated cancellous screws, instruments and fractures it can help fix. Before we go ahead and watch the video, I would like to thank all of our viewers for the love and support they have showered on us. Thanks to you, we have reached 2,000 subscribers and crossed 60,000 views in just 6 months. It would never have been possible without you all. And to show our gratitude, we will soon bring you a surprise. And now, let's get back to the video.
Today we will discuss about 4mm cannulated cancellous screws and related screws and instruments. These screws are generally used to fix medial epicondyle fractures, medial malleolus fractures, GT humerus fractures, intercondylar humerus, navicular fracture, Lisfranc fracture dislocation, etc. This green one is a 4mm cannulated cancellous screw. This one is 4mm short thread cancellous screw. And this one is 4mm full thread cancellous screw. Let us talk about 4mm cannulated cancellous screw. It is available in different lengths, starting from 14 up to 80 mm, depending upon the manufacturing company. As you can see, this screw is cannulated, which means it has a hollow central shaft. It has a 16 mm thread, as you can see here, and a washer is provided for each screws. The washer is used for better compression. Next is 4mm full thread cancellous screw. Then 4mm short threads cancellous screw. It also has a 16 mm thread. These screws are generally used to fix previously mentioned fractures. Coming down to instruments, we will require 1.2 mm guide pin, both threaded and plain. As you can see here, this one is threaded and this one is a regular or the plain one. Next, we will require 3.2 mm cannulated drill bits, as you can see, it's cannulated. We also need a 4 mm cannulated bone tap. As you can see, it's cannulated. Then we will need wire measurement scale. The markings are in the flat surface. We will also require 4 mm cannulated screwdriver. Here you can see it's cannulated. We will also need 2.7 mm solid drill bits. And 3.5 mm solid screwdrivers. Now let us understand the procedure. First, we will fix a guide wire or guide pin in the drill and fix it in the fracture site to hold the fracture together. This is totally surgeon's preference, which guide pin he is going to use. Once the guide pin is inserted, we will use a measuring scale to measure the guide pin. Of the drill bit. Once the measurement is taken, we will use a 3.2 mm cannulated drill bit and drill through the guide wire. After drilling, if the surgeon wants to, we will use 4 mm cannulated bone tap to tap and clear the way for the smooth entry of the screw. The guide wire or the guide pin will pass through the cannulated portion of the bone tap. This is again a surgeon's call. Now we will take the 4 mm cannulated canceller screw of the measured length, also take a washer, place it in the screw, and then with the help of 4 mm cannulated screwdriver, we will fix the cannulated canceller screw. Washer is provided for better compression. Without washer, the compression might not be satisfactory. Again, in this case, the guide wire will pass through the hollow central shaft. Once this step is done, we remove the cannulated screwdriver. Then we remove the guide pin or the guide wire attached and do the final tightening with the 3.5 mm solid screwdriver. Now, in order to fix 4 mm full thread canceller screw or 4 mm short thread canceller screw, we will use a 2.7 mm drill bit, the solid one, do the drilling and then use a 3.5 mm solid screwdriver in order to fix these screws. This will also require a washer because, as mentioned, without washer there will not be a good compression. The washer is mainly provided to create better compression. So that will be all for today.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications for our upcoming videos. If you have any queries, comment below and we will surely reply back. If you want to know more about career prospects in orthopedic implant industry and wish to start a career in orthopedic implant industry, please click the link below in the description box and DM us to know more. Thank you and see you in our next video.